The upcoming OnePlus 13 has been gathering substantial attention with a series of leaks revealing its impressive features. The OnePlus 13, as highlighted on OnePlus's official Weibo account, introduces a groundbreaking second-generation 2K Oriental display that's packed with several user-focused touch improvements. Among these, the Glove Touch functionality stands out, allowing the screen to remain highly responsive even when the user is wearing gloves, a valuable feature for cold weather. Additionally, the Rain Touch 2.0 technology ensures smooth, sensitive interactions even on wet screens, making it possible to continue using the device seamlessly in rainy or humid conditions. The Lingxi Game Touch further enhances gaming experiences by offering stadium-level touch precision. The gaming capabilities of the device are reinforced by a powerful Pro cooling system and advanced display technology, designed for large open-world gaming at 120 frames per second with 900 pixels. The Super HDR 4.0 feature enhances visual clarity, while a Signal Wizard Genie optimizes network connectivity by scanning for strong signals. Alongside its touch enhancements, the OnePlus 13's display also brings industry-leading eye protection features. The device includes Bright Eyes Eye Protection 2.0, a self-developed technology that combines full brightness, DC dimming to ensure minimal flicker and reduced eye strain. It is also the first of its kind to achieve the German Rhineland TÜV Intelligent Eye Protection 4.0 certification, guaranteeing safer, more comfortable screen time for users. This comprehensive eye protection suite, including the Bright Eyes Low Flicker 2.0, allows prolonged usage without compromising eye health. One of the standout features revealed by 91 Mobiles about this new model is its camera setup. The smartphone is equipped with a robust 50-megapixel triple-rear camera configuration, which includes a primary 50-megapixel LYT-808 sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view, and a 50-megapixel periscope lens. This combination is designed to deliver high-quality images with an impressive optical zoom of 3x and an f2.6 aperture. The processor is equally notable, with the smartphone set to run on the newly launched Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The display technology used in the new model is another highlight. OnePlus has introduced BOE's latest 2K OLED Oriental X2 display, confirmed through teasers shared on the company's Weibo account. This screen sets new standards, as it's the first mobile display to achieve TÜV Rhineland's Intelligent Eye Protection 4.0 certification. As reported by Deirdre O'Donnell, this display is tailored for various challenging environments, with features like Rain Touch 2.0, which allows the screen to respond accurately even in wet conditions, and Glove Touch, enhancing usability in cold weather. For gaming, the display incorporates Lingxi Game Touch technology, which minimizes input latency and offers smoother gaming visuals. This Super Pro display is HDR10+, Dolby Vision certified, and brings a unique true DC dimming that helps reduce eye strain. When it comes to storage, OnePlus 13 is coming with 24 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. OnePlus team also disclosed details of a double-layer 2K supercritical graphite cooling system. The device's battery life and charging capabilities are equally remarkable, particularly with a massive 6,000 mAh battery. This setup is backed by 100-watt wired charging and magnetic wireless charging, ensuring rapid recharge times. The software on the device is another point of interest. It will run on OxygenOS 15 for global users and ColorOS 15 in China, both based on Android 15. The UI design was featured in the leaked unboxing video, showcasing new elements like a redesigned lock screen, widgets, wallpapers, and an iPhone-inspired dynamic island-style notification banner. Additionally, it has a built-in AI chatbot similar to Siri, enhancing the interactive experience. OnePlus 13 is set for a launch in China on October 31, 2024 at 4 p.m. CST, and the anticipated price is around 4,699 yuan, translating to approximately $660. Are you looking forward to trying out this model's advanced features? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates.